the word popular cinema is actually a misnomer because there's no such thing as popular cinema. It is a mass cinema, and that mass cinema is manipulated because you have the power over the media and you can put in the film in a particular way to an audience and you can condition them. You can condition them to want to see your film or to reject your film, whichever way, but largely to want to see your film. So you have what started off as a social medium where audiences would see a film. If you liked it, you went and told people, said this is a wonderful film, go and see that film. Then you had a situation of this kind, which has now completely changed. Because today what happens is, because the whole world is saturated with television and cinema media and also print media, you can send in messages en masse about a particular thing. You create what is popularly known as hype, and you can create such incredible hype about films or a particular film that you can create anticipation of a very high order. Now that has an impact on the way you make a film also, because you will have, say, there have been many releases in recent times. In the last, if I look at the last 3 years, I can give you several examples. I won't name the films because then I'll be hauled up for libel. But the truth is that there are films. You have films that you suddenly find that you have large numbers of people wanting to see the film. They fill the halls on the weekend. When you take their reactions as you come out of the cinema, they say they hated it. Now, the first 3 days when that film is shown, it has covered 100% of all the halls. And today, because of, again, technological developments, because now you can have 2K prints and digital prints, you don't necessarily have to make film prints. Film prints cost a lot of money, 90,000 to a lakh of rupees for an average film, while a 2K print will cost about 1/10 or 1/20th the price of this print. So you can make many prints. I mean, it was never heard of before that any Indian film, if you said 5 years ago that you're making 300 prints of a film, everybody used to say, my God, what an enormous number of prints you're making to release. But today, 2,000 prints is not a big number. 2,500 prints is not a big number. The whole calculation based on the fact that what kind of hype, what kind of anticipation you have created in the audience mind, and then how much money you spent on it, you calculate the mathematics of it, you release the number of prints, you have no kind of expectation that after the 3rd day it's actually going to do well. If it does well, it's the cherry on top of the cake, because you really made a huge bonanza. But if you hadn't, you have lost either, because you covered your costs. Now, this kind of thing, which has entered into the cinema, has spelled in many ways doom for another kind of cinema. The kind of cinema that people make, very personal kind of films that Girish Kasaravali might want to make, or Nagavarna will want to make, or several other filmmakers in this country would want to make. Their films, how can they stand a chance in a world of this kind? The question no longer is, a lot of people think that the question is it commercial cinema, non-commercial cinema? There is no such thing. All films have a commercial purpose, whether you like it or not. Because it costs money to make a film, it has to cover that cost, unless you get subsidized. There's a problem with subsidies, because the moment you subsidize a film and you create a system of subsidies, it means that the filmmaker no longer considers it important that he must have an audience for his film. The day you think that the audience is not important for a film, then you've already gone off on a tangent. And one of the biggest problems in my experience, has been when FF Film Finance Corporation in the 1970s and when NFDC was formed in 1980, all they said was that if you make films that are culturally sound, have some kind of value, of social value, any kind of social value as far as India is concerned, you would get money to make the film. But they never thought that this film is not just to be made, it has to be shown. Because if you're not going to show this film, it's just going to be sitting in cans, which is what happened to most of those films. And the filmmakers, unfortunately for the filmmakers, the whole orientation for them went completely wrong. Because they then would start to look at the filmmaking as something, they became so self-centered. They started to develop what I always call the Van Gogh complex. You know, everybody thinks that he's a Van Gogh, you know, I mean, he's a genius that has not yet been discovered. And perhaps if he is not likely to be discovered, he's planning his suicide in different ways, grand ones, you know. I mean, these are things that happen to people. I mean, I'm saying it in a funny way, but the truth of the matter is this is a very serious problem, because the moment you become, when you start working, you start to think that you are sort of God's gift to mankind, and the kind of films you're making are going to be the greatest films of all time. You've already gone off the track. That's not how it works. It is very important that when you make a film, you have certainly to show it. You may not have an audience in mind. You don't have to have an audience in mind. You can't possibly have an audience in mind if you're creatively involved with something. But it needs to have an audience to look at it, to make it complete. That work remains incomplete unless an audience sees it. Now, we have this huge disadvantage when you have films that are made now, which require somebody to see the film and say, oh, I like this film very much, please go and see it. So word of mouth. When I started making films, word of mouth was very important. Distributors would always come and say, what is the word of mouth on this film? Because if they said, what is the word of mouth, it automatically meant that a good word of mouth would make the film succeed. And so distributors would go and buy the film on that basis. But that